Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Kesangma hak spotrek mentau bena jeliu arajar ka khandai ulahir le jureb ye ka jing pentrai ye ka project penmi boarding ka badang ya cha menta hakawa ganal ka badan hapori lom garo ringkat ka jidan lang UMLA Thomas Sangma ubalong ru unong aibon jong Menteri Rangba nangta ka MLA jong ka selsela ka Fairlin Sangma bat ki officer jong katnat penmi boarding lasdang men pentrai ye kini project penmi boarding ka ba R.1 megawatt house nam arhajar khatsau ba lengba kani ka project lakhmilanti ba ke rilom garo kan sakham paho shushu ka jingyo boarding lengba ka jingpen jingkhmi jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited haba pen pa wi ki da holo ka jing slam man pendap kani ka project Menteri Rangba ka jala ulaong ba ka de namar ka jing hiran pisa ha ka ba nakaleng ka sarkar menta kala simkhia ban wat ikilar klinti ban pendap no la kumno kani ka project sam boarding ha ubnai no pra jang usnam arhajar arpho banwan.
Well, we have come here today to inspect the work that is going on for the Kanol Power Project. As you're aware that this project is one of the projects in Garo Hills, and in the past we have seen that there has been some delay in the work of the project here, and it's a concern to the government, and therefore we have been discussing this with the MECL and with the government, the power department, and today since we're having the cabinet meeting for the first time in Garo Hills in Thura, so this is part of our program to review different departments, and other ministers are reviewing other departments, and I decided to come here and inspect the work itself. The work is going on faster now compared to earlier. We are almost at 65% completion, and we are hoping that this project in the next at least anything between 16 to 21 months, 22 months, we should be able to finish this. We're trying to minimize it to 15 to 16 months, and at the most hopefully in another 20 months this should be complete. As you're aware, because this is a difficult area to work on, so therefore there could be challenges, but our objective will be to complete it at the earliest. There was some issue of financial issues also that were there, and I think those are being sorted out. In the past, I think the flow of funds was not on a regular basis. That created a bit of problem for the contractor. At the same time, from the contractor's point of view also, we have discussed with them. We have told them that whatever the challenges may be, we expect good quality work, especially from a good company like them. And therefore, there were multiple challenges, as I said, and then in the working period that was given was very limited. So therefore, we are hopeful now that things are moving in a much better and organized manner. There's better communication between MECL, the contractor, and the government also. We hope that we'll be able to sort out all the challenges and all the problems that we have, and we will be able to complete this project at the earliest.